Hey guys, this is Epson Eco Tank 15,000. I want to show you how to print photo from your computer to this printer. First of all, you need to load correct photo paper. What we have here is 4x6 photo paper. To load paper, you need to make sure the glossy part facing up. Stick the photo paper you want to load, then adjust it. So this is how to load paper. Make sure the glossy part face up. You need to go to the settings and select paper size. Paper size is 10 by 15, 4 by 6 inch. Select on it. And the paper type is glossy. So you can scroll down and select the particular paper type. Is currently in glossy. To print this photo, you need to go to wherever you save the photo. File Explorer. The photo I want to print is in download section, so select downloads, double click it. This is the photo that I want to print out. Now to print this photo out, you go on top and select print. Then you wait, make sure the printer is ready. ET 15,000 series network. Then you scroll down orientation. We want this to be in portrait. And you select how many copies. Tray type. You can select auto select, or you select paper tray or paper casket. If you leave it on auto select, the printer will pick up the paper from where the size of the paper is loaded. So you have bottom casket and also rear tray. Then paper type, you scroll down to select 4x6, 4x6, and the paper type, you scroll down to select photo paper glossy. Once you've done that, then the next thing to do is, if you want to select more settings, it gives you option for you to select the color. Borderless printing is on. You can also remove the borderless. And output quality is currently in standard, so you can put high or custom. So it's currently in standard. And select OK. Once you select all the features, then you select print. Here we go. This is the photo paper we printed out, 4x6. So this printer, I can print up to A3 plus paper from here. So we printed out 4x6 photo paper. So another way to print photo from computer to this printer is for you to go to Epson Photo Plus. If you download the software, you will see Epson Photo Plus. Select on it or double click it to open. The app is getting ready. Now you need to select photo. You select the size 10 by 15 centimeter or 4x6 photo paper. Make sure you load the correct photo paper. Open it up. Then you attach the photo. Then select OK. This is the photo that you want to print out. You can see the printer ET 15,000 series network. The paper size 4x6. Layout is borderless. Source is auto. Media type Epson Premium Glossy. The paper we have here is photo paper glossy. And also print all. You can also put the date if you like. And from this side, you can see you can select some photo, add image, or select photo and also put stamp, text, shape, background, layout. So you can do so many things here. You can also add another photo. Then you select how many copies. Once you select how many copies, then the next is for you to select start printing, sending print data complete. Then you select OK. Then you go to the printer and wait for the photo to print. Here we go. So this is the photo we printed out. You can see how it's shining. I prefer Epson Photo Plus compared to the previous process. But I'm happy with this printer. It deserves your attention. This is how to print photo from your laptop to this printer. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.